Hello, teachers!
and future educators.
I am Blaze,
I am Rachel,
and we are your teachers for today! Yes! Ito yung first episode ng Teachers for Today. Yes!
How does it feel?
Kung ba ano ba dyan? Paano makapasok sa RQA? Sa din ang RQA?
Okay. RQA is the Registry for Qualified Applicants in the Department of Education.
Muna dito nga lang magpa-ranking.
Oh, yes.
ODI. Kaya kung magpa-ranking ka, maabuti ka din na qualified ka.
Of course.
Okay, mauna siya. Sige. So, karon ang mo share na to ani about sa RQA kay ang ato ang beloved teacher diri nga na jud siya sa DepEd. Si Miss Rachel. Kay ako wala man ko RQA. Pero ganahan ko nga makahibaw ko unsa man ako pagsud, unsa tay pagsud sa RQA. Sige. Pwede ba nimo ma-share? Unsa may mga process or mga requirements na kailangan? Ikaw bahala sa imong sugdan.
Okay. So, according to the DepEd Order Number 7 Series of 2023 on the guidelines on the recruitment, selection, and appointment in the Department of Education. So, here are the guidelines in order for you to be in the RQA. So, number 1, education. Pero, need po og master. So, if nag-graduate ra ka, of course, that is 10 points. So, nag-graduate ra ka, wala pa ka ng master, 0 pa ka na. But if you have units, and then na-be the increment level that will be tackled later on,
Okay.
ang increment, kung unsa ang increment level, so, mauto. And that is 10 points. And next is training. So,
Training.
yes, a training, of course, NC2 or NC3.
So, TESDA.
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
TESDA.
That is
Ano?
very valid. Pero be careful because there are other na nagbayad sila. Pero
Para na-certificate.
na-certificate, pero hindi sila accredited. Be sure that if you enroll to the NC, may NC2 or any other para diha sa training, para ma-count siya, accredited ka to na school. Just like sa test biological science, and then magkuha ko sa line, for example, electrical. So, dili siya nag-align,
Match.
dili sa match. So, dili nila i-valid to. Dili nila
Isang
i-count.
naka-TESDA ka.
Yes.
Ah,
So, dapat align. So, para kung unsafe, kanang mga computer,
Oh.
kay ilang
Mugamit man jud tag
Yes, of
computer.
course. Kay technology
Yes.
integration. And you need to reach 80 hours. In order for
training.
you, yes, in order for you to get 10 points. Perfect.
So kung dili na mahimong 80 hours,
So, may increment level na sub.
mahimos.
Yes, i-minus
Wala,
sa
no?
dito. So, later, we will have that increment level.
Pero tinuod na ilang giingon na kanang ipa-demo ka sa imuhang TESDA.
Yes, if and only if PBL during sa senior high school. Pag naka sa senior high school,
Na mag-teach.
oo, na mag-teach. Yes.
So, depende ra gihapon.
Oo, sa imong hangin. Then, we're gonna have, the third is experience. Of course, syempre, kay wala pa man ta sa Department of Education, we can have volunteerism. Voluntary service.
So, matukad school.
Yes.
And then, mag-volunteer ka, like, saman.
Oo, yes. Ang buhaton, ana,
Assistance.
is you as if nag-need ba sila ng volunteer teacher. Of course, diretso sa school administrator, sa principal, para makabalo na yun ka if need nila. And then, you will write an intent that you need to, sa panitawag, you want to render a service sa ilahang school. Pero, see to it, this is very important, that you have the memorandum of agreement or MOA signed by your principal.
Yes.
So first, kung mag-volunteer teacher ka, kinahanglan na magpasa ka og letter of intent to the school that intended na dito ka mag-render of voluntary service. And then second, if qualify na ka, mo text sa imo ang principal or mo acceptable ka dito sa ilahang school, and then see to it na naay memorandum of agreement. And then you read and be sure na naay date. Kay if naay MOA pero walay date, inclusion ba sa imuhang duration sa imuhang service, may invalid siya. And then be sure na naay signature na dayon kay process man na siya no sa imong principal and then superintendent. And please have a copy of that MOA kay mao to i-attach. And then after that one, if tapos na ka ng volunteer, so you need to get certificate of employment from your school head or principal para maging valid siya. Duha kabuo para ma-accredit to your experience.
Grabe na dyan na, no? Kinahanglan dyan ni mo upuan ka na patience.
Yes.
And ang voluntarism, ha? O ang substitution. So, pero na siya.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Kasi siya kay na appointment. But again, be sure that na signature ng superintendent. If not, ano siya, nag-volunteer ka, and then you have your certificate of employment signed by your school principal. It's not valid. Gihapon. Kaya nga naman, wala may MOA.
Ay,
So, we will go together. Oo.
Sa inyo nga kay, sa inyo ang experience kay, di ba na, kay, sa ni volunteer, and
Yes.
then nabo kay substitution. Sa mo ato kay mag-private school me for pila ka years, at least 3 years. Si kay more on volunteer, teaching, o
Yes.
substitution.
Letter T, number 4, is your rating sa examination.
For the exam.
Yes. Ang perfect score ana is 10 points. So, ang imong point ana is 7.5. If you have 83%,
So,
8.3. So, kung top notcher ka, 90 imuhang rating, perfect. 9
Diretso na perfect, basta top notcher.
No.
Dili sad, depende na
It
dyan sa rating.
depends sa rating.
Hala, grabe na dyan na.
Sa una, okay lang makapasa ko sa 75, pero karon it really counts. Kung mag-top notcher, average ang atuhang. O di naman ma-top notch, at least average. Kaya kung may immerse na magpasar, bagsak ang gagawin sa na.
Ano? Uy, dili ko top notcher. Kapasar ko, pero, uy, grabe na dyan. Diba na ko, wala akong points. Secret
So
na.
at least, so ma-compute na ninyo kay nanay yung rating, no? And good if you have this 8 na mga rating kay 8 man dahil, no? 8.3 like that. So,
So, expect
dako yun siya ang matabang sa 8. That is PPST COIs. What is that? So, COIs, that is the classroom observation or demonstration teaching.
mo na ni mag-demo ka.
Yes, of course. And you know what? Hindi dapat prepared ka, Zay.
Ano man, salimita ko.
Because 10 points naman to ang ako ang giingon, no? This is 35 points.
No? Nga siya kadako, ang kawat sa
Yes.
sa points. So, tapos,
Okay, so there are mga division na maingon sila, you will demo quarter 4. So, you need to prepare kanang lesson planning mo na detailed na quarter 4. It should have kanabitaw aligned to the curriculum guide.
Hindi ka mamili? Or sila ang-
Yes. Sila, I mean, ikaw magpili pero naka-align dito sa quarter 4. Ayaw pa pa dito sa last. Sa quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. Dito ka sa quarter 4.
quarter 4, wala mong ano, lisod man.
And you need to have the PowerPoint presentation. My observation was, pag sulod badaan mo, you need to feel the environment. have the authority that you are
The
the
teacher.
teacher.
You handle the class.
Yes, you
Okay,
handle.
sit down.
Okay, because based on my experience, for example, my lesson is intended for grade 7 or grade 8.
Mm.
But in reality, your students will be like grade 11, grade 12, like that.
Ah,
Oo.
so will it match ang mga students?
Yeah, there are circumstances. So it's up to you
Mm.
on how to deal with it.
So mag-adjust ka.
Yes, of course. Because depende sa school kung unsa man ang mga students ang ilang participate to the demonstration.
So na yung real dyan na student?
Yes,
Or dili
meron.
ba na puno ang classroom, ana?
Well, the whole class.
The whole class ka
Yeah, because based on my experience, the whole class, face to face.
Ako kung hibalaan dito sa amo ano kay Murag Quandra, selected lang.
Selected PPST and COIs, that is teacher reflection. Before, you have the face-to-face interview with the panelist.
Mm.
But now, it's teacher reflection. You need to write written form.
Unsa man i-reflect nimo?
It depends on the question that is related to the teaching. And then, the key there is you need to be direct. Because last time, I remember, the instruction given was, you need to have 5 sentences. They just need 5 sentences. So, be wise. Okay lang. Proceed to it that is substantial.
Mm.
Fortunately, I get a perfect score of 20. Yes, and before, 75 ang cut-off.
Unsa man na?
In order for you to be considered or to be accepted na naa sa RQA, but now, 50 points.
Ay, di ba ubsan?
Yes.
Ay, okay.
But, the advantage for that is you have a lot of competitors.
Daghan
Like
lang.
50 na lang.
50 naman lang. Siya rin pa dito ka maabot o 50?
Stay tuned with our discussion. Susunod na mga
Kabanata.
banata pertaining
Yes.
to teaching.
Yes, because we are your
Teachers for today! Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and you can share this to your gihapon mga friends na future educators.
Ay, gabi na dyan. Nakastorya na dyan siya, ano.